how to use WhatsApp Meta AI photo touch-up feature. For that, open your WhatsApp, and then from here what you're going to do is simply open a chat that you want to send a photo to, or else you can simply tap on the camera icon on the top right corner. So after doing that, your camera will be opened. Then from here, tap on the sparkle like icon right here, and then what you're going to do is simply tap on background right here. So after doing that, you can see a image and a sparkle icon. Simply tap on that one, and then you can simply tap on the option create with AI. So after doing that, you can now start generating your AI image. So you can even describe an image, write a prompt for Meta AI to generate one, or you can simply use one of the created Meta AI image. So let's just use this floating soccer ball just like this. So after doing that, if you want to edit furthermore, you can simply tap on edit and do so, or else you can simply select any of their prompt just like this. I'm good with this one. Then tap on this tick icon right here. Now it will be showing on my background just like this. So by doing all of these, you will be able to generate your Meta AI image on your WhatsApp. So yeah, that's it.